What's up, guys? Let us look at today's review. So going down to our chart, we're gonna be looking at EU, GU, and DXY. So this is our chart. Let's start with DXY. So going down to DXY. Okay, so guys, this is DXY. As you all can see on DXY, let me take off these drawings. Okay, so yeah, so this is DXY, and in DXY we have been in an uptrend. We have been bullish on the daily time frame. As you can see, we have been having break of structures to the upside, breaking structures to the upside, and break of structures here. But when we reach at this area, the market never gave us a new break of structure. So the market came up, collected liquidity around here, and give us a CRT model. So looking at my chart right now, I can see a daily CRT model. So if you look, we have a CRT high here, we have a CRT low down here, and I always say 50% of your CRT is always a key level. So we are gonna be looking at the 50% of this CRT, which is also a key level. Okay, so this is our CRT. We have the high and the low, and we're gonna go down to the 2 hours time frame. Okay, so this is our 2 hours time frame, and we need to mark out the 50% of the CRT. So 50% of the CRT is also a key level that we have to be looking at. So taking from our CRT high to the CRT low, we have our 50%. So our 50% of our CRT, we mark it out, mark out the 50%. Okay. Yeah, so we have out our 50% of our CRT model. And what are we expected to look at right now? What we are expected to look at right now is, okay, okay, so what we are expected to look at right now is heading down to the 15 minutes, to look at where we can look for potential entries in the market. So I'm gonna use this gap here, I'm gonna use this area here as my entry. So if price can come and fill in this gap, if price come back to this level, I will be taking my entry from that level, from this level here, entry, stop loss above, and I will be targeting the 50%. So the 50% is where I will be targeting for my take profit. So this is DXY, and let's head straight for EU. So going straight to EU, heading straight to EU. As you can see, this is EU, and let's go to the daily time frame. So as you all can see, this is EU on the daily time frame, and we have been having break of structures to the downside, and we had this move here. So we have price reacting on this fair value gap and this breaker and this other block, sorry, fair value gap and other block slipping here. So I would like us to look on the CRT move. Remember, I trade only CRT, so I don't trade zones like breaker blocks, other blocks. So I'll be focused just on this one candle. Excuse me. So I'll focus just on this one candle here. As you can see, my CRT high and my CRT low. So I'm focused just on this candle alone. This candle is all I am interested in. I'm interested just in this particular candle here. Yeah, so CRT high, and here will be our CRT low. And here will be our CRT low. Yeah, so this is the only candle I'll be looking at. This is the only candle I'll be focused in looking at my trades today. Okay. Okay, so now heading straight to the 2 hours time frame. We have, see, as you can see, we have price trying to push to the upside. So this is my 2 hours time frame. I'll be looking at my 50% of this move. So I'll take from the CRT high to the CRT low, and I'll be looking at my 50%, which will be this level, which is this fair value gap. So I'm going to mark out my 50%. I'm going to mark out my 50% of that level. I'm going to mark out my 50%. Yeah, I'm going to mark out my 50% of the key level, and I'm going to head straight to the 15 minutes. So now, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? What I am looking at right now is I want to see price dropping till this level, because all of this area now reacts like a liquidity. So I want to be looking at price at this level down here. I want to see price coming back all the way down here. So I have two areas I'll be looking at price. This is going to be one. I want to see price coming back down, collecting liquidity before pushing up. That is the first level I will be looking at. And the second level I will be looking at is this level. Here. So I want to be looking at price reaction either at this level or at this level. For me now to take my buys. For me to take either I look at the reaction here and I take my buys here, or I take a buy here. So it depends which of the two levels price is going to respect, but pretty much we'll be looking at buys opportunities, and this is what I'm expecting. So heading down to let's go down to GU. Yeah, this is GU, and GU is pretty much the same. We are gonna do the same daily, the same thing, and as you all see, we also have a CRT on the daily move. But now, on the daily, the CRT on the daily, as you can see, the CRT is somehow different from EU, because you see price has already mitigated the 50%. If you mark out the highs and the lows here, you are going to see the 50% of the CRT has been respected already. So 2 hours time frame, and as you all can see, the 50% has been respected. So what should I be expecting? I will be expecting, okay, CRT high, CRT low down here. Okay, so our 50% key level has been respected. Yeah, our 50% key level has been respected, and I will be looking at price to give us a pullback before a continuation. I'll be looking at price to give us a pullback before a continuation to buy. Yeah, so so let me go to the 15-minute time frame, and I'll be looking at some pullbacks in the market. Yeah, so as you all can see, this is the 15-minute time frame we have here, and on this 15-minute, I'll be expecting price to give us some pullback before we look at buys in the market. So in this 15-minute price, this was the news that affected the market yesterday. So price has come back to this order block, collected liquidity. We have market structure shift here. Yeah, we have a market structure shift there. So I would like to be looking at price. I would like to be looking at price at this level. I would like to look at price at this level here. for me to continue taking my buys. Why am I looking at price here? Because this level, this fair value gap here has been mitigated. So I had a fair value gap here, but if you look, the fair value gap has been mitigated and it won't hold price. So I will be expecting my entries from this level here, stop loss below this low, yeah, stop loss below that low, and TP. You can target this as your TP. You can target that level as your TP. You can target this high here. So this high now can react as your TP. And that's what I'm going to be looking at EU. So this is what I'm looking at EU, and let us hope and see how the market plays out. So EU and GU, this is what I'll be looking at. So GU, I'm looking at this place, and EU, EU, I'm looking at price reacting in these areas, and GU, I'm looking at price reacting from here, and I'm looking at price reacting from here. So that's what I'll be expecting.